Hi, Chip Cooper, Internet Attorney. Now, I'm often asked about website legal pages. Just what is a website legal page? What does it do? Is it really important? Do I really need one? Well, a website legal page is important because it does two very important things. First, it provides your intellectual property notices, and second, it provides any special legal disclaimer that you might need. So let's get back to the intellectual property notices. Probably the most typical would be your copyright notice for the ownership of the website. And you need to understand that a copyright notice has three extremely important elements. And you can remember these elements in order by the acronym CYA. So the first element, the C element, is the word copyright, or the symbol for copyright, which is the C in a circle. And in many cases you'll see that both of these are present, both the word copyright and the symbol. The second element, the Y element, is the year of first publication for a published work, which of course would include a website. So if you're launching your website in the current year, it would be the date of the current year. However, if you've launched your website in the past, and of course you've authored changes and modifications and updates every year since then, you would have a date range beginning with the date of launch, and the bracket would end with the current year's date. That's the Y element. The final of the three elements, the A element, is the author's name, which, if it's by an individual, it would be the individual person's name. However, if that person were a full-time regular employee of an entity such as a corporation, and if the authorship for the website was created within that person's scope of employment, then the owner of the copyrights would be the entity. So it would be copyright symbol, year or date range, name of author. Now there's another element that's not required, but it's absolutely recommended, and that's all rights reserved worldwide. So those are the elements of a valid copyright notice. Now, in addition to the copyright notice, you would have special disclaimers if you need one. Now, for example, I need one because it's very clear that I need to disclaim the fact that I'm practicing law through my website that provides legal document services. So I have a special disclaimer that says that my service is provided for informational purposes only and that it doesn't constitute legal advice. I'm required to do this. Now, if an attorney-client relationship is sought, it can be accomplished through an engagement letter agreement, either with me as an attorney or someone else. So these are the two critical elements that you typically see in a website legal page: intellectual property notices and special disclaimers, and that's why it's important, and that's why you need one on your website. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. This video is provided for informational purposes only. It doesn't constitute legal advice. You're invited to subscribe to my YouTube channel for additional tips.